Hello friends, welcome to my channel Suchi's Edu Help. In our previous videos, we learned about crops, types of crops, and how these crops are raised, that is, various types of agricultural practices. And in that agricultural practices, we learned about preparation of the soil or soil preparation, sowing, adding manure and fertilizers, which is also called as manuring. To know more about these, click on the link given in the descriptive box. Today let's know about the next step of the agricultural practice, that is irrigation. So what do you mean by irrigation? Irrigation is supply of water. Sources of water can be wells, ponds, lakes, canals, dams, etc. Over irrigation may lead to waterlogging and damage the crop. So the irrigation is the important step in agricultural practice. Some common types of irrigation systems include surface irrigation, localized irrigation, drip irrigation, sprinkler irrigation, center pivot irrigation, lateral move irrigation, sub irrigation, manual irrigation. So now let's know about all these types of irrigations one by one. So coming to the first one, surface irrigation. Here water is distributed over and across land by gravity. No mechanical pump is involved in this. The next one is localized irrigation. Here water is distributed under low pressure through a piped network and applied to each plant. The next one is drip irrigation. It's a type of localized irrigation in which drops of water are delivered at or near the root of the plants. In this type of irrigation, evaporation and runoffs are minimized. The next one is sprinkler irrigation. Here, water is distributed by overhead high pressure sprinklers or guns from a central location in the field or from sprinklers on moving platforms. The next type of irrigation is center pivot irrigation. Here water is distributed by a system of sprinklers that move on wheeled towers in a circular pattern. This system is common in flat areas of the US. Now coming to lateral move irrigation. Here water is distributed through a series of pipes, each with a wheel and a set of sprinklers which are rotated either by hand or with a purpose built mechanism. The sprinklers move a certain distance across the field and then to reconnect the water for the next distance. This system is less expensive but retrieves more labor. Now coming to sub irrigation. Here water is distributed across the land by raising the water table through a system of pumping stations, canals and gates and ditches. This type is most effective in areas with high water tables. The next one is manual irrigation. Here water is distributed across land through manual labor and water cans. This system is very intensive. So these were some of the types of irrigations that are used in the agricultural practices. So now let's stop here. In our next videos, let's know about the next agricultural practices. For any queries or requests, please raise in the comment section. Do watch, like, share and comment. If you are watching my video for the first time, subscribe and support, and also click on the bell to get notified. Thanks for watching.